What's guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have our kit of the month. This is actually for April, or I'm sorry, March. Yeah, I said March. This is a late one, but the reason why it's late, and we got our information why it's late, is because the decals. It took a while for them to get the decals for this kit. But yeah, this is a March kit of the month, and I believe our April one is coming within a couple weeks, not even, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and waste no time. Actually, I'm wasting a lot of time because I actually got this kit like 2 days ago. But we're just opening it now, and this is for the all famous Richard Petty. What is that? I don't know who's packing my kits now, but it looks like you're out in the grass and doing some stuff. I got some California grass out here. Richard Petty, 1972 Chrysler Plymouth. This is their Riverside. This is his Riverside winning car. This is actually pretty cool. So we got that, and we got our goodies in here. And we'll take a look at the kit here in a sec. Let's go ahead and do our goodies. And look at that. We got a sticker. Ooh, there we go. Proud member of the Builders Club. Yes, sir. This is really cool sticker. I always love their stickers. They're super high quality. So we got that, and of course, being in the Builders Club, you do get free decal sheets, or a sheet, depends how many they feel like giving you. And it looks like we got a William Byron kit with his famous 24 car. Really cool. So we got that one, and we got of course, the main sheet right here. I don't have a William Byron next gen car. Actually, I don't have a William Byron kit at all. So this is actually my first decal sheet of his car. So that's pretty cool. And I believe we will be getting his Day 2500 winning car as well for a kit of the month. So hey, we're gonna have two William Byron cars. So we got that, and it looks like we got another Richard Petty decal sheet. That's pretty cool. 1980 Petty, really cool. So we got another Richard Petty, good old famous 43. Pretty neat. Again, I'm not really sure what car this is for, but I'll find it and it'll be on your screen. But really cool and really nice decal sheets. If I have no use for these decals, or I'm not planning on using these cars, I mean, you can really use these decals or these sponsors or whatever. So it's really cool to get the extra decals. So back to the main kit of the month. This is a really famous race, and yeah, Riverside. I believe this was a road course race for him, and he races. He won it. It's really cool, and this is his first race that he won with his new primary sponsor, which was STP. Which is really cool. If you want to know more history and why this kit was so famous when you won it, and why it's so iconic and really important for JR Models, check out JR Models YouTube channel. He posted a video on this a couple days ago. I think it was Tuesday, and Rick, he explained why this kit is really famous for them. So really cool. And here's some of our kits. Of course, we got the kit right here. There's the William Byron kit. I believe that will be kit a month next month, so not April but May. And we got the new Joey Logano. This is the next gen Mustang. I'm actually looking forward to getting that one. That one's actually be this month's kit month right here. Really cool. So we're gonna have our first Dark Horse Mustang. It's gonna be a completely new body, of course, for the new Mustang Dark Horse. And then we got the Kyle Larson. So let's go ahead and open it. I'll go ahead and open it for you guys that want to take a peek at it, because, well, I'm gonna build it no matter what. So I'm gonna open it up. Nice shrink wrap. And let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. So, nice box. We got the famous Petty Blue body, Chrysler. Really cool. Just a super nice body. This is a really slick body. I can see why this car dominated back in the day. It's just really, look how slim this thing is. This is just a slick body. Really, well, I mean, it wasn't really aerodynamic, but back in the day, I mean, heck, that was really good. That's pretty cool. We got our gas filler cap separate, so that's pretty cool. And then of course this kit is designed by Jim and JR Models themselves, so this kit was not a real monogram kit. This was designed by those guys. We got our tires. They are going to be shredded. Really cool. That's before they went to slicks. And of course this car was of course a road course car as well, and that's what the Riverside race was. It was a road course, so that's pretty cool. We got a road course winning car. Then of course we have our clear parts, just a front and rear windshield. Pretty basic. And then we got our blue interior slash and chassis with the famous Richard Petty blue. Again, you don't have to paint this. I mean, it's a really identical blue to his actual car. All you have to do is put decals on and just clear coat it. You're good to go. And then we got our aluminum parts for most of the chassis components, like the exhaust and stuff. Of course, you're gonna have to do some detail painting, make the seats, paint the seat black or white, whatever it used to be, and then paint the engine and stuff. But really, really cool. So let's go ahead and pull out the instructions. And we got their famous nice instruction paper. We got the decal sheet, but really nice and well, that's new for them. The book. They're switching to a book style. I think it used to be like a map style when you open it up. This is actually, I prefer the book. Thank you, whoever's doing the book style, Jim. I don't care who's Jim or Rick or Marcos. I don't know who's doing it, but keep doing the book style. I absolutely love the books. This is just so much more handy, and it's more, it doesn't take up a lot of room. I'm like a map style where you have to take up your whole entire bench to open it up. I actually love the book style instructions. It's also not so overwhelming for people who's doing these kind of kits. I mean, you're not looking at all these instructions and you're like, oh man, it was overwhelming. So you're just doing my step by step. That's really cool. They're doing book styles. I actually like that, and I hope they keep up. All right, the decal sheet. Of course, we get our famous power slide cartograph decals, and the famous part about this car, it actually has this. To you guys, it looks orange, but it's like a really poppy orangish reddish sticker that goes on the front grille, and meaning front grille or front splitter right there, and it just helps it stand out and stuff for the road course. But that's what makes this car stand out. Then of course we have our like patterns, like stitching pattern for the seat, his seats and stuff. Just really cool, and then it's just really nice decal sheet. And this is a perfect kit if you want to do NASCAR but you hate doing decals. This is a type of car to do it with, because this is literally the decal sheet. I mean, this is really small. The biggest decal is on here is the roof 43. That's it. That's the biggest decal sheet, or biggest decal on this entire sheet. I mean, these decals are going to lay down nice. And this back one, this quarter panel one, is going to be the longest one, but that's going to be really easy. It's going to flatten stuff out no matter what. But this is a really nice decal sheet. But if you want to start doing NASCAR models and you just hate doing decals, or you're so sure, start out with one of these old timers, because these old time cars, you really paint the body with one color, and then the decals take care of the rest, and there's no 50 billion decals you can put on. This is just perfect, and this is a really good example right here. Of course, we got the famous 43 for the headlights, with the round headlights that goes on there. Just overall cartograph, really nice decals, and of course you got the, you can even see the RPMs on the gauge cluster. It's just so cool. But overall, it's just a really nice kit. So, like I said, if you want more history about this car, head on over to Jim's JR Models YouTube channel, because Rick explained why this kit is really important to them, and why they did it. And it's just such a cool kit. I mean, they did produce a couple of these Primus from Richard Petty, but this one identical was a road course car, and this is just this is really cool. This is actually my first Plymouth kit, I think. My first Plymouth NASCAR, so really cool. I'm looking forward to building this one, and it's just a super cool color car, and it's just wicked cool. And the shredded tires, really neat stuff. But alright guys, that's it. I'm sorry I'm late on this one. I mean, not partial, it's just not anybody's fault. It's just the decals came a little late. That's why the kit was late and stuff. But really cool. And then of course we got our free decals. Now if you guys want to join the Builders Club, it's a really good deal. You get a kit on a discount. You also, like I said, you get free decals. These decal sheets are about 12 to 10 bucks each, and you get, sometimes you get one, sometimes you get two, sometimes you might get lucky and you might get 3 decals. And so you get about $20 to $25 worth of free decals, and plus you get a sticker, an exclusive sticker. Stickers are really high quality and just really cool. And of course, if you do want something, another kit of their store, you do get rest of their kits online at their store, Builders Club store, for a same amount of price. For this kit, you get a discount and plus free shipping because they ship it with your kit a month, which is really cool. But all right, guys, that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next couple of days or a couple of weeks when we get the April kit month, and I'm looking forward to it because it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be the dark horse. It's gonna be Joey Logano's dark horse. I know a lot of people are not a fan of Joey Logano, but I like Joey Logano. He's actually a pretty good person, and I met him before, and he's actually a really calm guy. I don't know, I like him. I know people hate him, but it's just, you really got to meet him in person to really appreciate him, and I like him, and I'm looking forward to the new Dark Horse body style coming out, because I'm a Mustang fan. I'm kind of tired of getting Camaros and stuff, or actually Chevrolets now, because it's not Camaro anymore. But I heard that, long story. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you next time.